Around 4 minutes ago, China has sent missile strikes on Washington and New York. For your safety, the president has issued a curfew and you are not in your house by 9. You won't be arrested or even worse shot by the National Guards. All airplanes have been grounded for the time being, which means no more flights will take off or land. If your flight is already in the air, it will be directed to another airport and will not take off until the situation is over. Yesterday, a nuke hit one of our most important cities, Sydney. A curfew has been set for your safety. The time when the curfew will start is as followed: 21:00. In case China attacks us, you will be conscripted in the army if you meet requirements. This is the end of the message.